Acton Marketing Automation Platform Online Training. Overview of the Acton Marketing Automation Platform. Acton is a cloud-based marketing automation platform designed to help businesses streamline and optimize their marketing efforts. Here's an overview of its key features and functionalities. 1. Lead management. Lead capture. Tools for capturing leads from various sources, including web forms, landing pages, and social media. Lead scoring and grading. Automated scoring and grading of leads based on engagement and demographic criteria to prioritize follow-ups. 2. Campaign management. Email marketing. Create, send, and track email campaigns with tools for segmentation, personalization, and A/B testing. Multi-channel campaigns. Manage campaigns across multiple channels, including social media, email, and web. 3. Automation. Workflow automation. Design and automate marketing workflows to nurture leads and manage customer journeys. Behavioral triggers. Automate actions based on user behavior, such as website visits, email opens, and clicks. 4. Analytics and reporting. Performance analytics. Track the performance of marketing campaigns with detailed reports and dashboards. ROI measurement. Measure the return on investment for various marketing activities and channels. 5. CRM integration. Integration with CRMs. Sync with popular CRM systems like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and others to ensure seamless lead management and data consistency. 6. Personalization. Dynamic content. Personalize email content and landing pages based on recipient data and behavior. Segmentation. Create targeted segments based on demographics, behavior, and engagement levels. 7. Landing pages and forms. Drag and drop builder. Easily create and customize landing pages and forms using a user-friendly drag and drop interface. Conversion optimization. Optimize landing pages for higher conversion rates with A/B testing and analytics. 8. Social media management. Social posting. Schedule and manage social media posts across multiple platforms. Engagement tracking. Monitor and analyze social media engagement and interactions. 9. Compliance and security. Data security. Ensure data protection with robust security measures and compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. 10. Support and resources. Customer support. Access to dedicated support teams and resources for troubleshooting and guidance. Training and resources. Educational materials and training resources to help users maximize the platform's capabilities. Key features of Acton Marketing Automation Platform. Acton Marketing Automation Platform offers a range of features designed to streamline and enhance marketing efforts. Here are some key features. 1. Lead management. Lead scoring. Assign scores to leads based on their behavior and engagement, helping prioritize follow-ups. Lead nurturing. Automate personalized email campaigns and workflows to nurture leads through the funnel. 2. Email marketing. Email campaigns. Create, send, and track email campaigns with customizable templates and drag-and-drop editors. A/B testing. Test different versions of emails to determine which performs better. Personalization. Use dynamic content and merge tags to personalize emails for individual recipients. 3. Campaign management. Multi-channel campaigns. Manage and automate campaigns across email, social media, and other channels from a single platform. Segmentation. Segment audiences based on various criteria for targeted marketing efforts. 4. Marketing automation. Workflow automation. Design and implement automated workflows for lead nurturing, customer onboarding, and more. Behavior tracking. Track user interactions and behavior to trigger automated responses and follow-ups. 5. Analytics and reporting. Real-time analytics. Monitor campaign performance, track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions in real time. Custom reports. Generate custom reports to analyze the effectiveness of marketing strategies and ROI. 6. CRM integration. Salesforce integration. Sync data with Salesforce for seamless lead and customer management. Other CRM integrations. Connect with various CRM systems to streamline data flow and maintain up-to-date information. 7. Social media management. Social listening. Monitor and analyze social media mentions and engagement. Social campaigns. Schedule and manage social media posts. Track their performance and engage with your audience. 8. Landing pages and forms. Landing page builder. Create and publish landing pages with drag and drop functionality to capture leads and drive conversions. Forms. Design and deploy forms for lead capture and data collection. 9. Content management. Content library. Store and manage marketing assets such as images, documents, and templates in a centralized library. Content personalization. Tailor content based on user data and preferences. 10. Sales alignment. Sales enablement. Provide sales teams with tools and insights to effectively engage with leads and close deals. Lead handoff. Ensure smooth transitions of leads from marketing to sales with integrated workflows. 11. Mobile optimization. Responsive design. Ensure that emails, landing pages, and forms are optimized for mobile devices. 12. Integration and API. API access. Utilize Acton's API to integrate with other systems and customize functionality as needed. Lead generation with Acton Marketing Automation Platform. Lead generation with Acton Marketing Automation Platform involves several key strategies and features that can enhance your marketing efforts. Here's a detailed overview. 1. Lead capture. Forms and landing pages. Create customized forms and landing pages to capture lead information. Acton allows you to design these elements with drag and drop functionality. Social media integration. Leverage social media channels to capture leads through integrated forms and social media campaigns. Web tracking. Track visitors on your website to identify potential leads based on their behavior and interactions. 2. Lead nurturing. Automated campaigns. Design automated email campaigns to nurture leads over time. You can set up triggers based on lead behavior, such as email opens or website visits. Personalization. Use dynamic content and personalized messaging to engage leads based on their interests and behavior. Lead scoring. Assign scores to leads based on their interactions and engagement levels. This helps prioritize leads who are more likely to convert. 3. Lead qualification. Segmentation. Segment your leads based on various criteria such as demographics, behavior, and engagement levels. This allows for targeted communication. Lead scoring models. Develop scoring models to evaluate lead quality and readiness to buy. Adjust your approach based on lead scores. 4. Lead conversion. Automated workflows. Set up workflows to guide leads through the conversion process. This might include sending follow-up emails, scheduling calls, or offering special promotions. CRM integration. Integrate Act-On with your CRM system to synchronize lead data and streamline the transition from lead generation to sales. 5. Analytics and reporting. Performance metrics. Track key metrics such as lead conversion rates, campaign performance, and ROI. Act-On provides detailed reporting to assess the effectiveness of your lead generation strategies. A/B testing. Test different versions of your emails, landing pages, and forms to determine what works best for lead generation. 6. Lead management. Lead segmentation and tagging. Use tags and segments to manage and organize leads effectively. This helps in targeting and personalization efforts. Lead distribution. Automatically assign leads to sales representatives based on predefined criteria, such as lead score or geographical location. 7. Integration and automation. API and integrations. Act-On integrates with various third-party applications and tools, enhancing your lead generation efforts through seamless data transfer and automation. Marketing automation. Automate repetitive tasks and processes, freeing up time for more strategic activities. Email marketing with Act-On Marketing Automation Platform. Act-On Marketing Automation is a platform designed to help businesses manage their email marketing campaigns, among other marketing tasks. Here's a detailed look at what you can do with Act-On for email marketing. 1. Campaign creation and management. Email design and templates. Act-On offers a range of customizable templates and a drag-and-drop editor to create professional-looking emails. You can also design responsive emails that look good on any device. Personalization. Personalize your emails with dynamic content based on subscriber data, including names, company information, and previous interactions. 2. Segmentation and targeting. Audience segmentation. Create segmented lists based on various criteria such as demographics, behavior, or past interactions. This helps in sending targeted messages to specific groups. Behavioral triggers. Set up automated emails triggered by specific actions or behaviors, such as website visits, downloads, or purchases. 3. Automation and workflows. Automated campaigns. Design automated workflows that guide leads through the funnel. For instance, you can set up a welcome series for new subscribers or a re-engagement campaign for inactive contacts. Lead nurturing. Automate the nurturing process with personalized email sequences that adapt based on lead behavior and engagement levels. 4. Analytics and reporting. Performance metrics. Track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and bounce rates. Act-On provides detailed reports and dashboards to evaluate the performance of your email campaigns. A/B testing. Conduct A/B tests on various elements of your emails, such as subject lines, content, or call to actions, to determine what resonates best with your audience. 5. Integration and synchronization. CRM integration. Integrate Act-On with your CRM system to synchronize contact data and enhance your email marketing efforts with deeper insights. Other integrations. Connect Act-On with other tools and platforms like social media, content management systems, and e-commerce platforms to create a cohesive marketing strategy. 6. Compliance and deliverability. Compliance features. Ensure your emails comply with regulations such as GDPR and CAN-SPAM. Act-On provides tools to manage consent and handle unsubscribed requests. Deliverability optimization. Utilize tools and best practices to enhance email deliverability, including managing sender reputation and avoiding spam filters. 7. Lead scoring and management. Lead scoring. Assign scores to leads based on their interactions and engagement with your emails. This helps prioritize leads and tailor follow-up actions. Lead management. Track lead progression through the funnel and align your email marketing efforts with lead status and interests. 8. Collaboration and workflow tools. Team collaboration. Act-On supports collaboration among team members with features for sharing templates, reports, and campaign insights. Approval workflows. Set up approval workflows for email campaigns to ensure that all content is reviewed and approved before sending. 9. Continuous improvement. Feedback and insights. Use feedback and insights from your email campaigns to continuously refine and improve your email marketing strategy. Social media campaigns using Act-On Marketing Automation Platform. Act-On Marketing Automation Platform is a versatile tool for managing social media campaigns. Here's how you can effectively use it for social media marketing. 1. Campaign planning and strategy. Define objectives. Set clear goals for your social media campaign, such as increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or driving website traffic. Identify target audience. Use Act-On's segmentation tools to define and understand your audience. Create detailed buyer personas to tailor your messaging. 2. Social media integration. Connect social accounts. Integrate your social media profiles, example Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, with Act-On to streamline campaign management. Social listening. Utilize Act-On's tools to monitor social media conversations and track brand mentions, helping you adjust your strategy in real time. 3. Content creation and management. Content calendar. Plan and schedule your social media posts using Act-On's calendar feature. This ensures a consistent posting schedule and helps you avoid overlaps. Content templates. Create reusable templates for different types of posts, such as promotions, announcements, or engagement content, ensuring consistency in branding. 4. Campaign execution. Automated posting. Use Act-On's automation features to schedule and publish posts across various social platforms. This saves time and ensures posts go live at optimal times. A/B testing. Test different versions of your posts to determine which content resonates best with your audience. Act-On can help you analyze the performance of each variation. 5. Engagement and interaction. Social media monitoring. track interactions and engagement on your posts. Act-On can help you manage responses and engage with your audience promptly. Lead generation. Use Act-On's tools to capture leads from social media interactions and direct them into your CRM for follow-up. 6. Analytics and reporting. Performance tracking. Monitor key metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Act-On provides detailed reports to assess the effectiveness of your campaigns. ROI analysis. Measure the return on investment, ROI, of your social media efforts. Act-On's analytics can help you understand which channels and strategies are delivering the best results. 7. Optimization and iteration. Feedback loop. Use insights from analytics to refine your social media strategy. Adjust content, targeting, and posting times based on what's working and what's not. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and optimize your campaigns to enhance performance and achieve your marketing objectives more effectively. Integrating Act-On marketing automation platform with CRM systems. Integrating Act-On marketing automation platform with CRM systems is a strategic move to enhance marketing efficiency and align sales and marketing efforts. Here's a detailed guide on how to approach this integration. 1. Understanding Act-On and CRM integration. Act-On marketing automation platform provides tools for lead management, email marketing, social media marketing, and analytics. Integrating it with CRM systems streamlines data flow between marketing and sales, improves lead tracking, and enhances customer engagement. 2. Benefits of integration. Unified customer view. Seamlessly sync contact and lead information between Act-On and your CRM system for a comprehensive view of customer interactions. Improved lead management. Automatically update lead statuses and scores based on marketing activities, allowing sales teams to focus on high-potential leads. Enhanced reporting. Combine marketing and sales data for more accurate reporting and analysis, leading to better decision-making. Increased efficiency. Reduce manual data entry and minimize errors by automating data synchronization. 3 steps for integration. A. Define integration goals and requirements. Identify objectives. Determine what you want to achieve with the integration. Example, lead scoring, campaign tracking. Assess CRM system. Ensure your CRM system is compatible with Act-On and meets integration prerequisites. B. Choose integration method. Native integration. Act-On offers built-in integrations with popular CRM systems like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and HubSpot. These are typically the easiest to set up. API integration. For custom or less common CRM systems, use Act-On's API to create a tailored integration. This may require development resources. Third-party connectors. Some tools, like Zapier or Dell Boomi, offer connectors that facilitate integration between Act-On and various CRM systems. C. Configure integration. Connect Act-On to CRM. For native integrations, follow Act-On's setup wizard to connect to your CRM. Provide necessary credentials and permissions. For API integrations, use Act-On's API documentation to map data fields and configure endpoints. Implement authentication and data transfer protocols. Map data fields. Ensure that fields in Acton, example, lead status, contact information, correctly correspond to fields in your CRM. This mapping ensures accurate data synchronization. Set up data sync. Real-time sync. Configure real-time data updates for immediate visibility into lead and contact changes. Batch sync. Schedule periodic data syncs if real-time updates are not necessary. D. Test the integration. Perform test runs. Test the integration with sample data to ensure that data flows correctly between Acton and your CRM. Validate data accuracy. Check that lead information, marketing activities, and contact details are correctly updated and reflected in both systems. E. Train users. Provide training. Educate marketing and sales teams on how to use the integrated system effectively. Highlight how to access and interpret combined data. Reporting and analytics in Acton Marketing Automation Platform. Acton Marketing Automation Platform offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities to help businesses track, measure, and optimize their marketing efforts. Here's an overview of the reporting and analytics features available in Acton. 1. Campaign performance tracking. Campaign reports measure the effectiveness of your campaigns through detailed reports on metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and overall engagement. A/B testing results. Analyze the results of A/B tests to determine which versions of emails or landing pages perform better and refine your strategies accordingly. 2. Lead and contact management. Lead scoring. Track and analyze lead scores to understand which leads are most likely to convert. Lead nurturing reports. Monitor the performance of lead nurturing workflows and understand how different nurturing activities impact lead conversion rates. 3. Email analytics. Email engagement metrics. View detailed metrics on email performance, including delivery rates, open rates, click rates, and unsubscribe rates. Email ROI analysis. Assess the return on investment for email campaigns by tracking revenue generated and comparing it with the cost of the campaign. 4. Website analytics. Visitor tracking. Track website visitor behavior, including page views, time spent on site, and conversion paths. Form analytics. Analyze form submissions and conversion rates to optimize lead capture forms and improve conversion rates. 5. Custom reporting. Custom dashboards. Create custom dashboards to visualize key metrics and KPIs relevant to your marketing objectives. Custom reports. Generate customized reports based on specific criteria or metrics that are important to your business. 6. Integration with analytics tools. Google Analytics integration. Integrate with Google Analytics to combine marketing data with website traffic and user behavior data. CRM integration. Connect with CRM systems to analyze how marketing activities impact sales and customer relationships. 7. Real-time analytics. Live reporting. Access real-time data to make timely decisions and adjust your marketing strategies as needed. Instant alerts. Set up alerts for specific metrics or events to stay informed about critical changes or issues. 8. Historical data analysis. Trend analysis. Analyze historical data to identify trends and patterns in marketing performance over time. Benchmarking. Compare current performance with historical benchmarks to assess growth and areas for improvement. 9. ROI and attribution reporting. Attribution models. Use different attribution models to understand how various marketing activities contribute to conversions and revenue. ROI analysis. Measure the return on investment for marketing initiatives to determine their effectiveness and adjust budgets accordingly. Why choose ProExcellency for Act-On Marketing Automation Platform online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Act-On Marketing Automation Platform online training offers several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically employs experienced trainers who are well-versed in the Act-On platform and its capabilities, ensuring you receive high-quality, practical instruction. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs often cover a wide range of topics, from basic to advanced features of Act-On, including campaign management, lead nurturing, analytics, and integration with other tools. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency usually includes practical exercises and real-world scenarios in their training, allowing you to apply what you've learned and gain hands-on experience with the Act-On platform. Customization. They might offer customized training solutions tailored to your organization's specific needs and goals, ensuring that the training is relevant and immediately applicable. Support and resources. ProExcellency often provides additional resources and support, such as access to training materials, forums, or follow-up consultations, helping you to further consolidate your learning. Reputation and reviews. ProExcellency's reputation and positive reviews from previous clients can be a good indicator of their training quality and effectiveness. Thank you.